The first stage of nafs is called Nafs al-Ammarah. Nafs al-Ammarah. This is the nafs that we have been talking about so far. The easiest thing to understand about this nafs is like a 2-year-old baby. The 2-year-old baby wants what it wants, where it wants, when it wants, right? You're in a mall, the baby says that, I want that ice cream. The mother says, no, bad throat, no ice cream, not the right temperature. He'll just sit on the floor, he'll start taking out of the shelves, start throwing them, he'll throw a tantrum. He won't care who's walking by, who's doing what, who's looking at him, what it is doing to the mother. He just wants that, he'll get it no matter what, right? And you give him the ice cream, after a while, he'll have half of the ice cream, throw it, and then he wants the next thing, right? So that's what your untamed nafs is, that it wants what it wants and where it wants and when it wants, right? So, but that does not mean that that 2-year-old baby would stay like that forever. When the parents work on that baby's behavior, when they start, there are ways to control that behavior. When you start working on that baby's behavior does change, and that first baby can go on to become a very good human being. Similarly, Nafs al-Ammarah can become a better nafs. But in terms of the signs of Nafs al-Ammarah, just to recap, what are the signs that we have looked at? Like I said, that the first thing is that the I is very dominant in Nafs al-Ammarah. Everything revolves around me and I, right? These are the only two people that Nafs al-Ammarah cares about. That it has to be me, myself and I, or the third person is also there. Me, myself and I. Everything is around that. When shahwat is dominant, shahwat means desires. When the lust is dominant, and it can be lust for anything, lust for food, lust for women, lust for luxuries, lust for glory, anything. When the lust is dominant, all he looks after is to fulfill that desire. Selfish, self-oriented, self-focused, self-obsessed, right? All the attributes of self you can attach to. उर्दू में कहते हैं ना कि ज़रूरत पड़े तो खोते को भी बाप बना ले, और जब काम ना हो तो तू कौन थे मैं कौन, right? That's how this is all nafs al-Ammarah.